All right. I didn't expect that to happen. I mean, whoa.
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in here from time to time.
You guys, over the last couple of months, thousands of melters have joined us. And I mean, not just like 1,000, several thousands. And this is really important. I mean, what this says is that the world's starting to recognize the importance of couples massage. Yeah, like for such a long time, trying to change the perception of what couples massage is. For a long time, it's had this crunchy granola vibe to it. I mean, my own parents thought that I taught couples how to have sex, not how to massage them, which is totally not what I do. I mean, look, sex is a great byproduct of massage, and what you guys do in your own home behind closed doors when no one else is watching is totally up to you, and I don't really mind how you use my massage techniques. I'm more about seeing couples connect and what we can use massage for in our relationships to help our minds, to help our emotions, to help our body, and get us to connect, because I think every relationship deserves to have just a little bit of massage, just a little bit of massage, you know. So today, to just welcome all the brand new melters to Melt, let's have a chat about what we're doing in 2021 this year. Let's start with Melt models. It's no secret that this amazing human is no longer with us.
Pig out.
Yep. Sounds really ominous. I mean, she's still alive. She's just not with Melt anymore. There is a plan of creating a Melt version 2, but in the interim, I want to get back into massaging and getting onto more bodies. I have been practicing already, which is exciting. Let's try again. You want to see you around? I just want to sip off, yeah? In the past, it was just me and Emma, and it's one dimension. I'm starting to learn different ways and uses of melts, and different techniques are showing up too. Already, I've just massaged one person 4 times now, and I'm already picking up on new techniques that I want to show and bring to you. So there is a Melt version 2. That is years down the track. For now, let's just practice with new models. Let's see what else I come up with. That's easy for me. And now, yeah, see, I can hook into your muscles. Good. Great. And I'll bring this to you in this YouTube channel and on Facebook and Instagram too. Are they Melt models? Help me out here. What do we call them? Do we call them Melt models? Do I call them Melt girls? Just Melt people? It doesn't seem right. What is the right word for the people that I'm massaging or demonstrating massage techniques on? They're models, I guess. Partners? They're not a partner though. Like they'll be the wow, clearly I don't know what I'm doing right now. Friday Tutorials, which is this exact format, is made for you. So this entire YouTube channel is made for melters, not for the general public. So this YouTube channel won't exactly teach you how to massage. That's why we have Melt's Masterclass, but we'll cover concepts of massage. For instance, what we have planned for the rest of the year is topics like sciatica. We'll be doing TMJ problems, how you can massage it yourself, on yourself, and also how you can massage your partner's masseter muscle. I want to get more experts in and interview them. So last year we talked to Dr. Corey Allen.
We have to realize in marriage we're dealing with an emotional terrorist. And then there's our spouse to deal with too.
I was going to say, I wanted to know who was going to be the terrorist.
Well, we all are.
He was a whole bunch of fun and some really clever and interesting information. We also talked to Dr. Loretta Bruning.
So oxytocin is widely known as the love chemical or the cuddle chemical or the bonding hormone.
This whole channel is about opening up dialogue and creating communication. Because listen, no one in the world is doing massage the way you and I are doing massage and looking at concepts of massage in this realm. So this is all brand new to me as well. It's all about working together to build a conversation. And the more the group chats about it, the smarter we become, the more we learn, the healthier, the happier we are. So jump in the comments, talk to me. I'm always there. I love hearing from you. Melt oil. I think this is the only bottles, no, it can't be the only bottles in Australia. I know that some of you guys have been buying these from the US. This is one of my little pet projects. I want Melt oil to be America's best-selling oil. Now, this thing is the oil I've been using for the last 20 years. It's amazing. We've had a major hiccup last year in 2020 with our supplier, but because of you, right? Like our supplier made a massive boo-boo for us, and it literally kicked us off Amazon completely. Like we ran out of stock. Amazon's like, screw you, we don't care about you anymore, you got no stock. And when I got stock in there, oh, what a nightmare. But because of melters, we got back into the top 20. That's a big deal. I think we're out of the top 20 now. It's fine. Today, actually, I organized a truck and have sent 2,500 units of these to Amazon, which is great. That should get us into the top 10. Here's the deal. These things I don't make any money on. It is so cheap comparatively, right? The best-selling oil on Amazon is half the size of this. It's 8 ounce and it's only $1 cheaper than mine. It's the same deal. It's the same oil, but you get an extra bottle and a pump as well. Like, go get it. It's amazing. Oh, also, the other thing that's been going off, working really well, is that if you dip into your Melt account and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see an extra massage routine there. Now, it might be blocked for a lot of you guys that are on the 3-month program, but if you buy my Melt oil and email me a screenshot of that oil, I'll unlock that for you. And the good thing is that I'll unlock the downloadable portion of that too, which means that if you end your 3-month subscription, you've still got something that you can have with you that you can follow along to. Take it with you when you go out for your cheeky weekends away. That's the reason why I gave you this little bottle, so you can take it on your travel trips away. And oh my God, there's oil everywhere. I have been using it a lot. Let me go wipe this off now. 1 million melters. Okay. This is my absolute goal for Melt. The whole reason why I do this, why I do Friday night tutorials, why I'm constantly researching, why my nose is in books and in studies. Like, I've been a practitioner for 20 years. I've never studied this hard in my life before. Constantly thinking how we can work on our own study, because my goal is to get Melt to 1 million melters, and then we do our own study, right? So mainstream massage has done a lot of research in sports medicine and in pain management. I mean, that's where all the money is. No one's doing anything for couples. And no one's looked at massage in the sense of what we're doing in regards to emotions and feelings and connection. And I think there's something that we're missing. I think there's something there that needs to be researched. So I want to get to 1 million. At 1 million melters, I will commission a study. Like, I will get a lab on board, I'll pay for it, like I'll fund it. Let's learn more about how massage affects our relationships. I don't know. We a while away, we've hit 50,000 that we've taught now, or that have bought Melt's masterclass, so we're 950,000 away, which seems like it might never ever happen. Man, that does seem like a long way away, doesn't it? But I think we can do it. Anyways, that's everything I think about. And I think that if you watch the last video, we talked about the Merkas drop. I think that right now, as it stands, is the best thing I've got that we should be researching at the moment, which is that moment in time where your partner falls back into you. And all I want you to do is just massage your partner and look for moments in time where your partner falls back into you and note how that feels. And along the way, I'll send out questionnaires and we'll talk more about it. Like, let's get this conversation flowing. Let's see what we can learn from this. I don't know, maybe we can add something to the psychology books. I don't know, maybe. I'm sure we can. It has me thinking a lot. Okay, don't get me started. By the way, there are other things on the table, but it's all COVID dependent. I mean, I shouldn't even be in Australia right now. I should be in the US. We have to just adapt to the changes. I mean, the world is at this odd place. It's definitely thrown out the plans that I had for Melt. That's okay. I'm fine with that. We'll always be able to circle back, which means that practitioners that wanted to learn how to do Melt, that is put on hold. There's no point in doing any live workshops or teaching practitioners how to do their own live workshops, which, by the way, are amazing. I can't wait to do live workshops again. I miss them like crazy, but we can't while we're social distancing, yeah? I mean, it just doesn't make sense while this crazy pandemic is just circling around the world. Wow, right? Oh, although I personally am gonna go travel, and I'm taking you guys with me. Here in Australia, I'm just gonna jump in my car. I have no plans. I don't know where I'm going. All I know is that I don't want to be here in Melbourne in the winter. Like, I'm blowing this popsicle stand. I'm gonna drive north to where it's warm, and you guys are coming with me. So let's have a bit of an adventure. There are no plans. We'll just let's look for paradise. And when we find it, let's sit there and learn more about massage together. I might just chill out in paradise for 3 months. I don't know, maybe by the end of 2021, things have opened up and we can go back to our US plans. All right, welcome Melters. Big year. I cannot wait. Bear with me. Lots of good stuff are happening. I've got some more routines that I'm thinking about sending you. Let me practice. Get your hands on each other. It's really good for you. I'll see you in the next episode.